What's up, you guys? Today we are taking the C8 Corvette to the drag strip. You can obviously see that the weather is a little bit less than ideal. It's a little bit wet. However, the drag strip is about 35 minutes from where I live and there has been no rain reported. So hopefully with the C8 Corvette, we'll be able to put down some good times. So be sure to stay tuned because today's video is gonna kick some serious booty. The Corvette is soaking wet and it's rear wheel drive. So this one is the one that I'm actually pretty concerned with. However, it does have a really good launch control, and because it has the performance track management, I can actually set it to wet weather traction control. So it'll be really interesting to see, you know, what times this car is able to put down. I've seen a C8 at the track before, a stock one, and it was running 11s, and I don't remember if it was like 11.3 or if it was like mid to high 11s, but I'm really curious to see what the C8's gonna put down today. So we're about to do the first run in the Corvette. Let's walk over and take a look at it just so we kind of have a good understanding of exactly what it is that we're racing. And it's literally nothing special. I just want you guys to see that it is a 2021 stock C8 Corvette. Literally nothing special about this car. Pause. Hold, please. Literally nothing special about this car other than the fact that it is a stock 2021 C8 Corvette. Now, it does have performance track management, but I don't think I'm gonna use it right now. I'm just gonna take it out there and get a feel for the track. I also, don't laugh, I need to Google how to use launch control on this car properly. So that's what I'm about to do. But I forgot to say, my prediction is I'm gonna do an 11.5. That's my prediction. So if I do an 11.5, I'll be happy. If I do an 11.8, I'll still be happy because this car did a 10.8. So 11.8, 10.8, that sounds cool to me. We ran a 10.5, an 11.5, which I'm actually very happy about because the R8 ran a 10.5, and so I did exactly what I thought it was gonna do, and it just hooked and we went, dude. It was sick. So I had the performance track management set to dry, but now I'm gonna set it to race 2, which kind of gives you all the beans, for lack of a better term. So hopefully on the next pass with the performance track management set to race 2, we get maybe 11.4 or 11.5.1 instead of 11.5.8, but who knows? Let's see what happens. All right, so on this pass, I tried something a little bit different. I put the car in track mode, but I set the performance track management to race 2. And I think what happened is it kind of like bogged out a little bit. And so we ended up with an 11.6, which is 1/10 of a second slower than our first run. So I'm gonna try to get one last run in before the day is done on the C8 Corvette. So hopefully we can crack that 11.5 and get it down to an 11.4. Stay tuned. Well, it looks like the weather had different plans. We are starting to get big drops coming from the sky. They just said the track will not be dry within the next 30 minutes, and we really only had 45 minutes left to race anyways, so we're done. So the 2 runs that I got with the C8 Corvette, I got an 11.5 and an 11.6. I was gonna try to do one more run, but that didn't happen. So all in all, I'd say I'm pretty satisfied with the way this car performed. It's very consistent, unlike the R8, which is not consistent at all. But anyways, I'm getting soaked, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys are enjoying this installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. We've got about 20 more videos to go from here, so please be sure to stay tuned. Please subscribe, please hit the notifications bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.